Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video we're just gonna talk about the account I have failed in the funded account like that with Funded Pro, and I want to discuss more about it. But first of all, we're gonna do a market analysis. We like while talking we'll do a market analysis as well. Okay, so first we're gonna take a look at the gold. Okay, so like the thing I have not like discussed is like why I am failing my funded account, right? The only thing I can say, okay, when I was in India I was being profitable, I was being able to make profit, but after some period of time when I decided to come here, I leave the trading like in between. For some period of time I couldn't trade because I wanted to do the processing things, and since I came here I arranged my setup, find a house, and everything happens 1 or 2 months, and then I started trading again. But now I'm using my savings to buy a funded account, and trying to trade with it. But currently I have lost around 3 funded account, and it's not working out for me. Like what's the issue is, I guess maybe I have changed the environment, maybe everything is here, because in India I was living with my parents, and now here is like little bit of maybe doing everything by myself can affect my trading environment. So yeah, I guess that's it. That's I want to say. Maybe okay, gold is looking really good at weekly time frame. If you go to weekly time frame, this is the start of the, like you can say, COVID and everything. That's why it touched this high of 2070, and after that I think this was because of the Ukraine and Russia sector something, and now we are having this certainties is because maybe it's, I don't know much about this fundamentals, but I think it's because of something bank sectors doing. Yeah, looking at the daily time frame here, price is rejecting this level at this point. We're gonna mark that area out right now. This is the highest point, and this is the break of structure over here. When the price did break of structure, it's at the same level right now. So what we can expect on 4 hour time frame, if price is consolidating a little bit here, if price do break below this lows and everything, then we can see a downside again. If it breaks above, then I will be looking for buys. If price break above, do a retest here again, and maybe after when price do a little bit of consolidation, then I can look for buys when it does break off this structure. So that would be my way of looking at the price for buys. So mainly buys is above like 1992 or so. So yeah, for sellers I will be looking for like price should be little bit of consolidation, rejecting this area, and then break off the structure, retest, and then we can look for sellers. So yeah, that's what I want to look for. Like now we're gonna just remove these things, and besides that, like I have tried 100k funded account, 200k, and 25,000 funded account, but the reason I lost them, I mean it's maybe sometimes I had a bad day, or and I use at that time I trade, maybe I couldn't control my emotions and I over traded without using risk management and everything, and yeah, I lost the accounts. So now what I will do next, it's like my mainly objective is to right now is to grow my funded account capital and build it properly. It's not like, okay, so for next thing I will do is like create a proper plan here. If I will create a proper plan for funded account, like how much I will risk, and maybe I was thinking to do live stream as well, but I'm not sure yet about it. Even if I do a live stream, I just another thing is like I need to move my house to a different place as well currently, so maybe that will take some time. No promises yet. Okay, looking at the 30-minute time frame on gold here. Mm, okay, today is NFP because today is Friday. The right now I'm doing the video. So if possible not, I don't know. Like maybe I'll stick with an NFP or not. But yeah, currently looking at this price of action, maybe if price do break above, then we are looking for buys. If price do break below, we are looking for sells. Simple as that. But like not simple as that. you need to look at the price actions, rejections, and everything. Yeah. So looking at now, we're gonna remove everything here on GBPUSD. Go to weekly time frame. First, and another thing, like after losing this couple of funded account, what I think is like I have started to have some negative mindset, you can say. It's not negative, but I've been feeling not good as well about it, and I want to really make my trading journey good. So if there is someone who wants to give an advice, please comment down below. What do you think I should do next about it? And here I am to share my journey, like how I can be profitable, or maybe is trading journey for me or not. But according to me, I really love to look at this market and watching analysis, watching fundamentals, what's going on in the world and everything. It's going great for me. But when I lost the funded account because of the over trading or risk management, it doesn't feel good at all. So like, yeah, it does affect my mindset. Maybe I was thinking to start a demo account and trade with that, and I'll target some percentage. After that, if I feel good about it, then maybe start a funded account. But yeah, we will see. Looking at the GBPUSD right now over here, it's on a weekly time frame. It's at the top. Looking at the now daily, as you can see, first let me mark this zone because it's an important zone. And price did break below here, but I think it did reject it properly. Let me just switch because this is too much consolidation area. Yep, so it did break, but now it have taken support of this area, so I'll stick with that. Yeah, so it did break of the structure. It this does count as a low of the price, but the main point is, if this price does make a new high, here, then this is price is still in uptrend. But if price started to consolidating and doesn't make a new high, break of the structure, then we can start looking for sells here. So I think like good sells, like on the daily time frame, better sells will be below this point of view, 1.23. But currently prices in like really bullish right now. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, I would mark this area too because it's a resistance over here. And looking at this, okay, price can continue going up till here if it does break up, so we're gonna mark that too. I think there will be much rejections over here. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, price is consolidating right now, so we're gonna just mark that too, this too. And yeah, 30 minutes looking great. It's okay. Today's NFP. Every day or the Friday in NFP, price does started consolidating, but when NFP news comes, price just shoot up, or maybe shoot down. Maybe we'll see if I have no work at NFP time. Like if I will be available at NFP time, maybe I will do a live or something. Yeah. Okay. Looking at the GBP JPY right now. Price have broken this structure, I guess, but okay, I need to go a little bit of back here, like to see where is the. I can say this could be a better zone for price to reject, because yeah, see, because this high is like okay, this was the consolidation, not a consolidation, I mean price did consolidate here. After that it did went down, but it hold the support over here. It didn't make the new low, because this is the huge wick over here, and I do not count proper low because it did reject it indirectly. This candle closed bullish, so that's, for me, it's a rejection. Now looking at the this time frame, price did went up. Now what I will be looking on a daily time frame, if price started to do a little bit of a consolidation over here, so mainly I will be looking for sells below like 171. Okay, if price do break below here, then I can start looking for sells. Looking for looking at a 4-hour time frame, price have this break of structure, but it's consolidating right now and having a lot of wick, which is not good at all. So we're gonna just mark this two area. So this is not in proper uptrend yet. Looking at the smaller time frame to identify what will be the next move. Okay, this area does look good, but it's not proper validate yet, so I think I will remove it. I'll just mark this buys above will be like 17400 or so, but for sells I'll wait for price to change the structure, right? So I think for me sells will be exactly below this area. If price do break below but do a retest, then I will start looking for sells. Yep, so that would be my analysis on GBP JPY. So yeah, let's get back to the funded accounts. So recently I have watched Paladin video. It really inspired me. If you guys don't know who he is, just go to YouTube and search his name, you will find out. But the only thing I like about him, like, I started trading when I was 18, and he started at the same age. He's from India, I'm from India. But the another thing is part is like, that guy make it through the journey of a funded account, and I think I can do the same. He did it. I'm still 21, he's still 21, he didn't pass it through, and I think I can do it too. So it gave me a really good motivation to work on myself and make a funded account, pass it and everything. So what I will do is just here I will create a funded account list first. Maybe whatever account size I buy, let's say 200k or so. I'm not sure if I need to go with 200k or 100k funded account, but let's say if I buy a 200k funded account, I will manage the risk and everything. Maybe I'll only take trade in certain sessions and everything. I'll just manage the whole plan here. Let's say it took me 2 months. I'll just write down like, it's okay for me to take 2 months, because it will give me a mindset that yeah, taking time to pass the phase 1 and phase 2, but after that I will have a really good income source from funded account. That's the main goal. That's the important, is like, to grow in trading journey, not to like do it as soon as possible. So I think yeah, that what I will do. And yeah, I will show you guys when I do write everything like with the funded accounts, like this plan. But yeah, this was my analysis. I'll be looking for sales below this area. Okay, before NFP I won't take any trades, but at the time of NFP I will be looking at the charts. I will try my best to do a live, maybe possible, if possible. But yeah guys, if you don't know what is Funded Pro is a prop firm. You can go and check that out too. This is the prop firm, you can check that out. I will put the link in the description. But besides that, you can use my code XKC20 and you will get 20% off a challenge. But you can take a free trial here and take the real challenge as well. If you have question what is the spread and everything, you can check here. And besides that, this is the account you need to check out. Okay, another thing, they have now Trade Locker as well. This is a new platform you can use. It's the same as MetaTrader 4 and 5 to execute trade, but the good thing is, like, you can look at the charts as same as TradingView. You can analyze and everything. So like, it's good, right? Like, you can just check that them out too. I'll put link in description. Besides that, like, yeah, here's the website. Yep. So like, you can check them out. They have released their beta version yet, so it's not properly complete yet, but yeah, they have really good features and everything. I'll make a detailed video again about them. So what is the opportunity to get into this, maybe another video. But yeah, let's say if you buy a 100k account, you just go to coupon code, use XKC20 and apply, and you will get, I don't know why it's saying that, but yeah, you will get like 20% off. So okay, do let me know if it's saying the same thing on your, maybe I'm not logged in, that's why, something like that. But yeah, if you want to get a free trial, you can just go here. Maybe I will do this. I'll go here, but I have a free trial, and we can trade with that. If I pass it, then we will start a real funded account. So that could be a great start. Yeah, that will be a great start. And I will possibly do a what we call live session with while I'm trading my funded account, so you guys can see me how I trade and how I can, if I'm able to grow the funded account. So that's it for today's video. Like if you guys have any questions about my journey, like about me, about the Funded Pro, about Trade Locker, about anything related to trading industries, do let me know in comment section. I'll reply you as soon as possible. And first of all, I thanks all of you, because you guys were really supporting till now, and I really hope you guys still support me in future too. Thank you for being part of my trading journey. See you in the next video.